Export of Chala, potential markets and challenges. Brief overview of the cashew nut industry and its importance in global trade. Overview of the purpose and structure of the essay. Potential markets for cashew nut export. Overview of major cashew nut producing countries, Vietnam, India, Brazil, etc. Analysis of major importers of cashew nuts, USA, EU, China, etc. Discussion of emerging markets for cashew nut export, Africa, Middle East, etc. Market challenges for cashew nut export. Price volatility and price pressures from competing products. Trade barriers, tariffs, and regulations. Quality control and food safety concerns. Challenges related to logistics and transportation. Strategies for successful cashew nut export. Diversification of markets and products. Investment in technology and research. Collaboration between producers, exporters, and government agencies. Branding and marketing efforts to differentiate products and attract new customers. Cashew nuts are an important agricultural commodity and a significant source of income for many developing countries. According to the International Nut and Dried Fruit Council, global cashew nut production reached 4.7 million metric tons in 2020, with Vietnam, India, and Brazil being the top producers. The largest importers of cashew nuts are the United States, European Union, and China, with emerging markets in Africa and the Middle East showing potential for growth. Despite the potential for growth in the cashew nut industry, there are several challenges that must be addressed in order to successfully export these products. One major challenge is price volatility, which can be affected by factors such as weather patterns, global demand, and competition from other nut products. Additionally, trade barriers, tariffs, and regulations can make it difficult for cashew nut exporters to access new markets and compete on a level playing field. Quality control and food safety concerns are also important considerations for cashew nut exporters. Consumers are increasingly demanding high-quality, safe products, and failure to meet these standards can result in loss of business and damage to a company's reputation. Furthermore, challenges related to logistics and transportation can make it difficult to get products to market in a timely and cost-effective manner. To overcome these challenges, cashew nut exporters can utilize several strategies. Diversification of markets and products can help to mitigate the risk of price volatility and provide new opportunities for growth. Investment in technology and research can help to improve production processes and increase efficiency. Collaboration between producers, exporters, and government agencies can help to address regulatory and trade-related challenges. Finally, branding and marketing efforts can help to differentiate products and attract new customers. Another challenge for cashew nut exporters is the issue of sustainability. Cashew nuts are often produced in developing countries where there may be limited resources and infrastructure for sustainable agricultural practices. This can lead to issues such as deforestation, soil degradation, and water pollution. Additionally, labor practices in the cashew nut industry can be exploitative, with low wages and poor working conditions. To address these sustainability challenges, Cashew nut exporters can work to implement more sustainable production practices, such as agroforestry and water conservation techniques. They can also work to ensure that labor practices are fair and ethical, with workers receiving fair wages and safe working conditions. Certification programs, such as Fairtrade and Rainforest Alliance, can provide a framework for ensuring that cashew nuts are produced sustainably and ethically.